Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from rainy Margate, Florida. Yes, we're still getting a little bit of rain from the storm here. So that being said, we're going to still do our video in a wet setting. By the way, that is our telephone number if you have questions. And what do we do today? Well, we got the new Toyota Tacoma, and we did a few things on this already. We've already done a roll and lock on here. And today, we also did a Powerboard by Rhino. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now, these here, let me go open it all the way up to the center here. Now, these are nice because first of all, as you know, when you get a Toyota Tacoma, the running boards have a tendency to sit really high up. They're gonna sit right about here. So you're really kind of not having a true step. You only have a few inches between here and here, where this one comes all the way down here. Now, if you look closer between the ground and here, it's really dead center. So this is going to be a true step. Now, if you look real closely on this, these Rhinos come in a couple different ways. They have the regular finish, and then they have the spray-on, what you do for bed liners and stuff. They have the spray-on finish here. Now, the spray-on finish is going to do a couple things. It's going to really do a great job protecting the boards. It looks really nice. It also has a better grip. Now, a lot of times people will get on step bars, and sometimes if it's a little wet out there, it can get slippery. This here with the texture on here, it's going to hold your feet a lot better. So it's going to hold up for abuse. You know, if you happen to be a guy who wears golf shoes, little spikes on there, or maybe soccer shoes, whatever it is, it's going to hold up better with that, and it's just going to hold you better. Now, let me go ahead and take a good look. Now, as you can see, I'm not a little guy. As you can see, it holds all my weight. And the most important thing is, look at the step here. You can see between the ground to here, it's a real step. And that's the most important thing here. Now, this does come with LED lights, and it comes with also a nice 5-year warranty here. It's a great product. It's actually pretty quiet here. So let's see if I can let you hear it. So now, I know a lot of running boards, especially some from Ram on the factory ones, that are noisy. Now, you're going to hear a little bit of these, but I heard ones that sound like some truck hit the side of your vehicle when they go up. These are quiet. So now Rhino, good company. They've been around a long time. As you know, we started doing the Rhinos when they came out with the Tundras, because they were the only ones doing it for the Tundras. And at this moment in time, I think they're the only ones doing it for the new Tacoma. So I know when we were looking at the computer, there wasn't a lot of companies out there doing stuff for the new Tacoma, but Rhino does have these for them. I'm sure eventually there are going to be more products out there for it, but at the time, this is one of the few that works with this. So go ahead and open up the back as well. You can see here. Now, another thing I want to point out to you, it does have a power switch. So if you don't know what that is, basically you can turn the power off. So I'm going to reach in here, and they are off. So why is that good? Let's say you're off-roading and you're worried about you're kind of close to some big rocks there, and you know if you open the door, the thing's going to come down there and hit that rock. Well, you can turn them off so they don't do that. So also sometimes they do drain a small amount of power from the battery. So over time, if you're going to let your truck sit for 3 to 6 months, you might want to turn them off so none of that power will come out of that. So now go ahead and turn it back on. Make sure I'm far enough away so that they don't come into me. So it's nice. It comes with that switch. It's a nice feature to have. Again, if you like this product, we can install it for you. Now, let me go over some positive things. It's a great product, good 5-year warranty. I like everything about it. The negative thing, it's a little harder to install. We had 2 techs on this today, and it took a good portion of the day to do it. And if you're going to do it yourself, it can be a little hard. So I know manufacturers, doesn't matter how hard it is, 30 minutes. That's all it takes is 30 minutes, no matter what it is, because they're trying to sell the product. Now, I'm trying to sell the product too. The only difference is I'm telling you the truth. This is going to take a little longer job. It's a little bit of work. I would, like for us, I always put about 6-hour window to do it. Sometimes it can take longer than that, sometimes less. But I hate to say, most of the time it takes that time or longer. So it's just, it's a little harder than most setups. Again, if we put it on for you, besides the 5-year manufacturer warranty covers the parts, we're going to go ahead and put a 1-year warranty on the labor. So let's say down the road, when the motors were to go, they said they need a new motor. They don't charge you for it, it's under warranty, but they don't send you a tech to put it in. That's where we come in. Within 1 year, we go ahead and put that all in free of charge. So all in all, great product, looks good. I like that texture finish. Sits up nice and high out of the way, so you have better clearance. Again, if you're going off-roading, you want that, because if you had a static bore, it's gonna sit several inches lower than that, so you could hit it. All in all, you can't go wrong with the Go Rhino e-boards. Again, if you need to order, call the store. You can ask our general manager, John, who's behind the camera. You can go to the website. I'll go ahead and put a link of this, by the way, at the bottom of this YouTube video. So you click on it, I'll show you the pricing, everything you need to know if you want to order it, or you can just call us. We got you covered. So again, review of e-boards, new Toyota Tacoma. This is for the 24 and newer Tacoma, by the way. And before I forget, like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. Thank you.